best fire pit. Welcome to this deep dive into the best outdoor heating solutions. Today, I am showing you the most effective ways to upgrade your backyard ambiance and keep those chilly evenings warm with these premium fire pits. Product number 1. Outland Living 893. I have spent considerable time looking for the right equipment, and the Outland Living 893 consistently stands out. When I choose a fire pit, I look for durability, ease of use, and overall heat output. This model delivers on all fronts, providing a reliable center point for any outdoor gathering. Whether I'm setting it up on a patio or taking it along for a weekend camping trip, the design proves to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The materials feel solid, giving me confidence that it will withstand the elements throughout the seasons. What I appreciate most is how quickly I can get a fire going, allowing more time to relax with friends or family instead of fumbling with complicated setups. The heat distribution is impressively even, creating a cozy environment that makes every outdoor space feel more like home. Product number 2. Solo Stove Mesa XL. If you need a tabletop solution that delivers a truly smoke-free experience, this model is a phenomenal choice. I am thoroughly impressed with the airflow-efficient design that lets you sit around the flames without dealing with teary eyes or lingering odors on your clothes. I found the dual fuel capability to be a huge advantage since it comes with a built-in adapter allowing you to burn either standard wood or pellets depending on your preference. Crafted from lightweight 304 stainless steel, it feels incredibly sturdy while remaining highly portable. I think the included stand is a great touch because it elevates the base and keeps your outdoor surfaces protected from direct heat. Adding more fuel is a seamless process, and the flames consistently stay warm and vibrant. Product number 3. Amaze Stove Tabletop Fire Pit. This specific tabletop burner offers a generous capacity that allows for an extensive fuel load of up to 8-inch wood pieces or 2.5 pounds of pellets. I noticed that this extra space grants a continuous burning time of 50 to 60 minutes, which is perfect for relaxing uninterrupted. I really respect the advanced dual 360-degree updraft technology built into the structure because it guarantees effective burning and minimizes harmful emissions. The premium 304 stainless steel build feels durable and is designed with absolute versatility in mind. I love the sleek silver finish that effortlessly enhances the aesthetics of any modern patio space or picnic table. It comes with a very handy travel bag, making it simple to pack up after the metal is cooled down. I believe this is an ideal interactive centerpiece to gather around with family and share stories while enjoying a safe and highly efficient low-smoke flame. Product number 4. ZZ UV Joy Fire Pit Ring ZZFRR001BK. For those who want a massive capacity for large gatherings, this 36-inch inner diameter ring easily accommodates more wood for longer and highly concentrated burns. I am amazed by the superior rust resistance provided by the zinc-plated steel and the high-temperature anti-rust powder coating. I noticed the top and bottom ventilation holes create a secondary air intake system that significantly promotes a more complete burn and reduces smoke output. I appreciate the double-layer reinforced structure that gives it double the deformation resistance compared to standard options on the market. It maintains its shape and stability even under extreme heat over prolonged usage periods. I found it surprisingly lightweight and easy to move despite its large footprint. I suggest simply placing a layer of sand or stones underneath to protect the ground before lighting your logs. Product number 5. Fire Beauty Fire Bowl. Bringing a sleek and contemporary design to any outdoor setting is exactly what this heavy-duty iron fire bowl does best. I love the black powder-coated finish that gives it a rugged yet stylish look while ensuring it remains sturdy and durable against the elements. I found this unit much easier to control and significantly safer than building traditional bonfires on the ground. I think its compact 22-inch diameter is perfectly sized to provide excellent warmth without taking up too much room on a patio or deck. I highly value the included spark screen cover, which provides an extra layer of safety against flying embers while you sit close to the heat. I also appreciate that it comes with a log grate and a poker, so you have everything needed to manage the burning wood efficiently. I hope this breakdown helps you select the perfect addition for your outdoor living space. Your ideal choice ultimately depends on your specific fuel preferences and how much portability you require. I strongly encourage you to evaluate your outdoor layout before making a final decision. Have a wonderful time enjoying the warmth and ambiance with your family and friends.